Belarus 5260 tractor, short description. The Belarus 5260 is a rugged and dependable mid-range tractor built for a wide range of farming and utility applications. It offers solid performance, straightforward mechanics, and is well suited for both field work and transport duties. Engine details. Model Belarus D242, type 4-cylinder liquid-cooled diesel. Displacement 289.9 Q in 4.8 lil. Bore straw 0.33 by 4.92 in, 110 by 125 mm. Fuel system, direct injection. Air cleaner, oil bath with pre-cleaner. Compression ratio 16:1, rated RPM 1800, idle RPM range 600 to 1950. Starter, electric 24 volts. Oil capacity 15.85 kilotoots, 15.0. Coolant capacity 20.1 quarts, 19.0 lit.